Mountain of Roses, Sir Pao. I am Timothy John Alicos from BSIT 1B. In this video, I am going to discuss the four pillars of OOP, or the Object-Oriented Programming. As you can see, we have already sample code here. First, we have encapsulation. It hides details of an object. We have use access modifiers like private and public. In private, we have string data type and properties breed with the details as cal. If we run this code, the ASCII details will not display. Second is inheritance. Your child class dog can inherit properties and function of your parent class animal. Third is abstraction. We use pure virtual function to fix the problem. Lastly, polymorphism, which allows different classes to use the same function in different ways. From the word poly, it means multiple, and formism changes. The child class dog calls the function bark with the object Scooby. So let's click execute and compile. As you can see, there is no error. Then click execute and run. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.